Driven by initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, India's defence sector is witnessing a remarkable transformation. A nation once reliant on imports for advanced military technology is now empowering young innovators and startups to build cutting-edge solutions at home. From smart laser systems and AI-powered navigation to secure communication technologies, India is rapidly emerging as a hub of indigenous defence innovation and self-reliance. India's defence sector is no longer just a buyer of military equipment. It is emerging as a hub of high-tech innovation. Driven by initiatives like Make in India and Self-Reliant India, the country's defence production has reached a record level of nearly 18.4 billion USD, while defence exports have crossed 4.5 billion USD. With growing private sector partnership and a thriving startup ecosystem, indigenous technologies are reshaping the future of defence. Bangalore-based Cubitronics Solutions is a prime example, developing a smart laser rangefinder that not only measures targets but also provides real-time location and GPS coordinates, all connected through a mobile interface.
हमारा डिवाइस मोबाइल के थ्रू कनेक्ट हो जाता है, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, हमने इसको कनेक्ट कर दिया है और ये मोबाइल के थ्रू हमारा डिवाइस इंटरनेट के थ्रू कनेक्ट हो जाएगा। हम यहाँ से कमांड सेंड कर सकते हैं और पूरा डेटा मॉनिटरिंग, स्टेटस मॉनिटरिंग हम मोबाइल पे ले सकते हैं।
The system features a built-in compass and navigation capabilities, helping soldiers track locations and navigate in challenging environments while reducing dependence on foreign technologies and strengthening India's indigenous defence capabilities.
So this technology will make India as a self-reliant and no other country, like we will not be depending on any other country for the technology and for any of the warfare equipments. So this will be making us a self-reliant and self-sufficient for all the needs.
This indigenous technology has also drawn interest from the Defence Research and Development Organisation DRDO and Indian Optel Limited, Dehradun. Encouraged by this recognition, the young innovators are now working towards developing more advanced and powerful defence systems.
यहाँ पे हम जो इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक्स में काम कर रहे हैं, इसका जो एप्लीकेशन है वो डिफेंस के अंदर और इंडस्ट्री में और स्मार्ट सिटी और कहीं अन्य फील्ड्स में है। अभी क्योंकि भारत सरकार इस टाइम पे पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप पे बहुत जोर दे रही है।
Meanwhile, next generation technologies are transforming the future of secure military communication. Bangalore-based deep tech startup Cosmic is developing India's indigenous optical space communication infrastructure, a laser-based technology designed to transmit data faster and more securely than traditional radio systems. It aims to address the challenge of transferring massive satellite data in real time.
फास्ट स्टीयरिंग मिरर एक ऐसा टाइप का मिरर है जो हमें एबिलिटी देता है कि हम लाइट को सबसे ज़्यादा लेवल तक हम कंट्रोल कर पाएँ इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। और इसका एंगल हम आपके बाल से भी छोटे लेवल तक हम इसकी एंगल और इसकी रिफ्लेक्शन कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं।
The biggest advantage of this technology is enhanced security. With ultra-narrow laser beams that are difficult to intercept or jam, it could pave the way for faster, safer and next-generation communication networks for the armed forces.
हम जो नॉर्मली लोड करते हैं या रीड करते हैं वो हम डिग्री में करते हैं। 1 डिग्री से भी छोटा अगर हम रेजोल्यूशन पे इसको पॉइंट करना चाहते हैं तो हम इस तकनीक का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इससे हम लेज़र पॉइंटिंग का इस्तेमाल बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं। ये हमारी सेनाओं के लिए पॉइंटिंग, शूटिंग एंड ट्रैकिंग तीनों में यूज़ हो सकता है।
At the same time, startups are revolutionizing drone and robotics technology with high-precision navigation systems. Bangalore-based Yanendriya is developing AI-powered sensors and flight control systems that enable drones to navigate with greater stability and accuracy opening new possibilities in defense, smart agriculture, industrial automation, and surveillance.
We have been able to cater to that, and we look forward serving the country better by enhancing these platforms much to an extent so that it can be deployed from unmanned rovers inside the underwater systems to the space satellite systems. Building that navigation stack is our goal, and we look forward building that.
From smart sensors and laser communication to AI-powered navigation systems, India's young innovators are not just building cutting-edge technologies, they are driving the nation's journey towards defense self-reliance. This new wave of defense startups is shaping a stronger, smarter, and future-ready India.